what we are doing work and time problems. Okay, so my job is single one, but first in first equation we have 4 men and 3 women, but in second equation we have 5 men and 7 women, but these were doing this job in 4 days, whereas they are doing the job in 6 days. So we got this system of equations. These are the two system of equations. Now I will solve them. Tell me, how can I solve them? See, from here I can take out 4 men is equal to 1 by 6 minus 3 women. So men will be 1 by 6 minus 3 women divided by 1 upon 4, right? I will input this thing in here. Tell me what will be my answer?
Why will 1 by 4 come here?
Just like 1 by 6, because I am doing one job, na. So this much of men and women combination will do 1 by 4th of job, 1 by 6th of job. It is simple. You understand? See, I am saying I have given two types of things. Okay? One combination, actually we have given two combinations of men and women. Okay? What are the combinations? 4 men and 3 women. Okay? 4 men and 3 women doing a single job in how many days? 6 days. Right? Another combination is what? 5 men and 7 women doing a same one job in how many days? 4 days.
4
right?
days.
So what will be my one job equation? One job equation, it will be 4 men plus 3 women is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, and here what I will get? 5 men plus 7 women is equal to 1 by 4. Now you got two equations. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now we will substitute. Either we will substitute, either we will multiply. Whatever you will do two linear equations, but I feel that substitution is better option. So 4m is equal to 1 by 6 minus 3w. So m will be 1 by 6 minus 3w into 1 by 4. So I will substitute this men values here. So what I will get? 5 by 4. 5 by 4 and 1 by 6 minus 3w plus 7w is equal to 1 by 4. Solve this one. Solve this equation now. These are the m and w are what? M and w are what? Because they are commonly working a single handed. Okay, they are working in the single job, means this one job if I do by one man, then it is the amount of 1 upon 56 or 1 upon 58, whatever the amount. If the single job is done by one woman, then it is will be something. But in the question is that what will be the time? Now then question is, that is the time done by one woman and one man, when they both are combined. So when the both are the combined, I will just sum m and w. Okay, I will sum just m and w, and my answer will be something like this way, 7 by 156. Okay, this is what? This is my job, this is my daily work. Okay, this will be my daily work. But when the comes upon time, so time will be 1 upon daily work. Okay, keep in mind, time will be 1 upon daily work. So every time
One short will become 156 upon 7.
Yes, 156 upon 7, and it comes something 22 kind of days approximately. Okay, you got the steps beta? You got the steps ना?
Yes ना, वो practice अब हो जाएगा मुझे.
हाँ, practice करनी पड़ेगी थोड़ी सी. चलो next question करो. Tell me the next question बेटा जी.
And the next question is, a man can do a piece of work in 20 days. He works at it for 5 days and then he finishes it in 10 more days. In how many days will A and B together finish the work?
Means they are asking about the number of days. But these number of days beta, they will do together work. Means A and B both are doing the work together. Okay. So if they are doing the job single-handedly, matlab single, so A is doing the same job in 20 days. This is given. So A's one day work will be what? A's one day work will be 1 upon 20. Right? 1 upon 20. Okay. Now if A works alone for 5 days. So work done how much? 5 days. If A is working 5 days, then how much work A will be done? Done by A.
It will be 5 into 1 by 20.
Bas, very good. So it will be what? Tell me the amount. 1 by 4?
Yeah, 1 by 4.
1 by 4. Now see. The work remained beta. The work remained. Remaining. It will be how much? 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So I will get what? 3 by 4 only. Okay. And this 3 by 4 work have to be done by how much? In 10 days. by B. By B. Now you got the question details?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
what will be my B's work? What will be my B's work? B's 1 day work. Same procedure as above. That is 3 by 4 divided by 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me what will be my answer? That will be 3 by 40. You
Yes,
got
ma'am.
the steps? Now
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
I have to combine 1 day work of A also and 1 day work of B also. So
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
combine 1 day work of A and B. Tell me what I will do. What I will do? What will the sum? Beta. 1 day work of A is what? 1 upon 20.
Yes, ma'am.
And 1 day work of B is what? 3 by 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is the answer?
I'm just a second.
5 by 40. 5 by 40 means 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is your combined job, right? So how many days? Means how many days means time only.
Yes, ma'am.
How many days means time only, and time is 1 upon that work. So it will be what? 8 days. So it will be what? 8 days. You got?
Yes,
Now you
ma'am.
understand the trick behind this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now read the next question, beta ji.
Ma'am, can I note it down?
Yeah, sure, of course you can. Did you got? See, I have 20 workers finishing this work in 30 days. So my total work will be 20 into 30. So I have total 600 workers and days combination. Now they are saying that 5 workers are left in between. Means I have left 20 minus 5, that is 15 workers. Now I will assume that number of days 20 workers work before 5 are left, that is XS. So unit of work left 20 into X. So remaining work I have total, it is 600. So remaining will be what? 600 minus 20X. Now the time left is 35 minus X, because some of the time they have worked. No? So this timing left will be done by 15 only. So I have work left 15 into this. But what is my equation will be? My equation will be this. Means 20 plus this 15 one, and then it is 600. So find the value of X. Find the value of X.
Yes.
It is 15 days. So this is the trick. Okay, now move to the next question, beta. Move to the next question.
Subhash can copy 50 pages in 10 hours. In Subhash and Prakash together can copy 300 pages in 40 hours. In how many time can Prakash copy 30 pages?
So first I will calculate everything for 1, and then we will get the final answer. So first what I should write, beta? First what I should write means Subhash job, right? So Subhash is copying the 50 pages. How many hours? 10 hours, right? Similarly, rate of his work. Rate of his work. Tell me what? What will be the rate? Hello? What I am trying to say, that Subhash works, right? And Subhash is working for 50 pages. And how many hours he is working? He is working in 10 hours. So
and
what?
The rate of his work will be 1 by 5.
50 by 10, that will be 5, beta.
Sorry, 5, yes.
Rate means always divided by 10, and gradient means always divided by distance. Okay, these are the two things. Now what I am saying, that Subhash and Prakash both are working. Subhash plus Prakash, both are working in the same job of copying 300 pages. Okay, copying 300 pages. Okay, and when they copy these pages, now they are taking 40 hours. How many hours? 40 hours.
40 hours.
So what will be the rate? Combined rate. I will say it is at combined rate. So what is it will be? That is 300 divided by 40. That is 30 by 4. It is equal to 7.5. Okay. Now I have to calculate, beta ji, whose rate? Prakash rate. Alone Prakash rate. Okay. Alone Prakash rate. So for that, what we need? What we need? First I need your see, one thing more, that combined rate is equal to Subhash rate plus Prakash rate, right?
Sir.
And this implies that Prakash rate is equal to combined rate minus Subhash rate. Can I write this way?
Yes, ma'am.
So when I write like this way, then 7.5 minus 5 I can write. So what will be the answer? Tell me. 7.5 minus 5, what will be the answer, beta?
Ma'am, 2.5.
2.5. So 2.5 is the rate of whom? Rate of Prakash.
Prakash.
Okay, so what I have to find? I have to find the time, right? So for this, how many pages he is doing work? 30 pages.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
some pages upon time is equal to rate, right? So I have rate, I have to calculate time only. So I can write time is equal to pages upon rate. So
Yes,
I can write 30 upon 2.5.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 30 into 2.5 will be
30
72.
upon.
Ma'am, 12.
Very good. 12 hours. Now you got this question. Then read the next one, beta. Means what I am saying, X-Men doing the same job in 30
Ma'am,
days.
so it will be 10x is equals to 120.
This will
X
be
will
the
be 12.
30x is equal to 20x is equal plus your 120. So it will be 10x is equal to 120. So x will be 12. Very good. Okay, you got your answer. Now next to the next question. Next question.
Kalu can do 1/3 of the work in 6 days. How long will it take it for both of them to finish the work?
Both of them are working, but the number of days and work it is given in the fraction. Number of work is given in the fraction. Okay, so first I will start from Shambhu.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me what I will do. Shambhu's full work will be what? Shambhu's full work will be what? See, Shambhu is doing work, half work actually. He is doing half work in 8 days.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So full work of Shambhu will be what? 8 into 1/2 is equal to 4. Right?
Ma'am,
Sorry.
16 days.
Sorry. 16. I have to direct 1 upon हो जाता है ना वो. Really sorry. Then I have Kalu. And what is Kalu is doing 1/3 work, na? In how many days? Tell me, beta. Kalu is doing how many days? It is given.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Kalu is doing 1/3 of his work in 6 days.
6 days. Okay. So Kalu's total work will be what? Kalu full work. Kalu's full work.
Ma'am,
it will be 6 into 3. That is 18.
Yes,
just like this way. Okay. Now see Kalu's rate. Tell me Kalu's rate. Kalu's rate of doing one work. That means 1 upon 18.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Work per day. It will be work per day. Okay. It is Kalu's work per day. Now I will. Since this is Kalu's work per day, so what will be Shambhu's work per day? Per day. Rate will be what?
Ma'am, Shambhu's work per day will be
1/16.
Yes, ma'am.
1/16. Now add these two rates. Tell me what will be the answer. Combined rates will be what? 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 18. Tell me. Combined rate will be what? My combined one is this. So my your time will be what? 1 upon that? 1 upon days?
Yes, ma'am.
So combined your rate is equal to 1 upon 17 upon 144. So it will be 144 upon 17. Something approximately 8 point something. 8 point something. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now read the next question, beta ji.
An engineer undertakes a project to build a road 15 km long in 300 days and employs 45 men for the purpose. After 100 days, he finds only 2.5 km road has been completed. Find the approx number of extra men he must employ to finish the work in time.
So it's a road problem, and initial and final means we have given total road also, we have given total time also, but we have to find the middle things. Okay, we have to find the middle things. So first every question we have to write first what is given. So my total road is how much? Tell me. 15 kilometer.
Yes, ma'am.
And total time is given. Tell me how much total time.
total time is 300 days.
300 days. Very good. See, now what is my initial persons or men's are working? Means initial workforce is how much? Initial workforce is how much? How many men's? 45 men's, na?
Yes, ma'am.
45 minutes. Okay, now see, in all these things I will take out this 100 days, na? These 100 days, how much kilometer road is completed? Only 2.5 road is completed. In 15, only 2.5 is completed in 100 days. Means how many days we left, beta? 200 days.
Yes, ma'am.
So we left 200 days left, and how many more, right? Minus 2.5 kilometer more we have to do. So my goal is that what? To increase manpower. You got my answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because we have to accomplish this goal, na? 200 days and this much road. So first what will be I will do? I will say my 100 days 45 men complete 2.5 kilometer. So 1 kilometer will be what? Requires how much? How much man and how much days? Tell me. Step 1 is I am saying 100 days 45 men completing 2.5 kilometer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will say 1 kilometer of road requires what? Requires my 100. So from initially I have total road, total
Yes,
time.
ma'am. So x upon 200, x into 200 is 22,500. So
X
ma'am,
will be
ma'am, x will
200
be
200
1.
cancel, so it
Yes,
is
ma'am. Ma'am, x
225
will
by
be 1.
2.
Ma'am, x will be 1, 1, 2.5.
Very good. It is 112.5. Okay, now this is the total number of men they are working. Okay, so currently he has already 45 men.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have asked in the question that how many more? How many more? So beta ji, what I will do? I will 1 suppose I am completing this as half to person हो नहीं सकता, so I am doing like this way, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Because approximation 0.5 है, तो 5 में तो एक enhance कर ही सकते हैं. So I have done 113, right? And currently already he has 45. So I what extra will be what? Minus.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me what will be the answer? Extra will be after minusing the extra.
Ma'am, if we minus the extra,
Hmm.
which is 113.
113 minus 45.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Now so it will be. I'm just.
68 हो जाएगा बेटा जी. कैसे होगा?
It will be 60. Yes, ma'am.
45 45 90 हो गया. 90 में 1 10 करो तो 55 हो गया. 55 में इधर से 2 जाएगा तो 68 हो जाएगा ना. फिर 3 ऐड कर देना 65 में. हो गया 68. So 68 is the total required. 68 is the required person. Now you got, Betty?
Yes, ma'am.
Viren, now you got all this. So we have done lots of questions today, right?